We are back once again, guys. We got this thing parked in the driveway right now. She all dusty, but on camera, can y'all even tell she dusty for real? I got rocks all in the street arrow, diffuser. Look at this shit. Daily drive, man. I'm getting new front tires real soon, guys. And I'm gonna do a whole brake job. I wanna do paint correction, especially on the front with these white chips. I don't know what's good with those. Also want to fix my curb rash, bro. Y'all know, if y'all follow my channel, y'all know what's good with my car, man. So we got the jack stand right here. Y'all probably wondering what are we doing today. Past couple videos, I've been doing oil changes, bro. I'm at another 3,000. I'm about to hit 80K miles. I'm about to hit 80K miles, bro. Like, I racked up a lot of miles the past year, man. It's okay. We just gotta take care of her. And let me show y'all what else I got. Air filter cleaner. This should work and clean my PMAS intake. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, she's dirty. I think it's time for her to get clean. That's why I bought the cleaner. And I think I gotta, like, what do I gotta do? I gotta spray it all on there and then leave it for 24 hours. So the car's gonna be out of commissions. I'm gonna look it up. It might be in this video, it might not. So the blue engine temperature light comes on, the blue light. So I just don't know, y'all. I just don't know. But right now we're gonna do what I can control. What I can do is order things. Show y'all how watery this oil is, bro. Right now I'm trying to screw off the oil filter. What's up, YouTube? We're under the car, bro. You see the Stainless Works long tube headers, bro? Look at this. Oh, that shit looks broken, bro, because where, you see that? What happened right here? Is there a leak going on? Is this where the leak is at? Because, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I check over here, none of them are like that either. Let me see from this angle, but bro, I'm really trying to take off this oil filter, bro, and it's not loosening. It's not budging, bro. It's not budging, bro. Like, I don't understand, bro. Like, I'm turning it counterclockwise, bro. Like, what's going on, bro? Why is it so difficult, bro? Like, it's so difficult. I had to send my mom to go get a tool, bro. Like, cause it's like, bro, should be no reason, bro. I hand tightened this the last time, bro. And there's no way I'm doing it the wrong way. It's not looking good, bro. And it looks like it's about to rain outside too, so. Hey, shout out to my mom for getting me this tool. And we finally got the oil filter off, so I'm about to put this joint on, get the car I'm about to put this on, put the oil in, and that'll be it, man. What's good, YouTube? We are back at the landfill. I just dropped off the oil at the Mustang right here. Oh, this right on the top though. Light. Man, there's bugs on the grill, man. Spots on the front. Oh shit. Oh shit. Can I just get a light just for the car alone, bro? This is just how great it looks, man. Like, I gotta take better care of her, yo. I will. And I am. I'm doing my best. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, there's cops everywhere. I wonder if I could get it like this screenshot. You know what I'm saying? So I've been driving the car around and she feels fine. I need to take her to her shop. I'm God BSing. Hey, I'm not trying to race. I'm just trying to cruise. My man in a Lotus. We gotta catch up to my Jeep. Oh yeah, my G in the Lotus. About to feel some air in our tire, bro. Look, my right tire is at 23. We got the little free air at the Wawa. I'm gonna put some air in my back tires too, just so it's dirty. But look at my tires, bro. Look at this, bro. I need to replace my tire, bro. I need to do this shit ASAP. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. I'm probably gonna do it this weekend. It's probably gonna be loud for y'all. Bro, YouTube, I just pulled up to the back sport court. How did I lose air in my rear tires? Bro, I put air in my rear tires, bro. Why is it lower? And then the thing that I don't understand is, why is the one side 26, but the other side 28, but the higher number is the one that it says is low? I don't know. Maybe it's my TPMS system. Maybe that shit is not reading right. We gonna see. I'm about to go hoop. I'm gonna get Jay, and then I'll be back. Oh. I'm about to cause a whole scene out here. Bro, I'm high as shit. Hell no. Almost folded. Not gonna lie. Ooh. Not gonna lie. Bruh, like. Fucking moth, bruh. You see that? Weird. Fucking. Oh, cranking. We at 49. That ain't bad. I'd take 49, bro. You know what I'm saying? 49 not bad.